Good evening. My topic is about effects of movements of cargo to ship's longitudinal stability. Longitudinal stability means the ship's ability to stay balanced from bow to stern. If the weight of the ship moves forward or backward, the ship's trim will change. So, what is cargo movement? Cargo movement means the shifting or transferring of cargo weight inside the ship. This can happen when cargo is moved during loading or unloading. Cargo is not secured properly. Cargo ships because of waves or bad weather. Effects of longitudinal stability. 1. Change of trim. If cargo moves forward, oh, if cargo moves toward the bow, the ship will become trimmed by the bow. If cargo moves toward the ship will become trimmed by the stern. This changes the balance of the ship. 2. Ship performance. When the trim changes too much, the ship may move slower, consume more fuel, become harder to control. 3. Safety risk. If cargo suddenly shifts, it can cause dangerous imbalance. This may affect navigation and may lead to accidents. For example, if a heavy container moves from the middle of the ship to the stern will sink deeper into water. The bow will rise higher. This is called trim by the stern. So, how do we prevent these incidents? To avoid problems with longitudinal stability, cargo must be properly distributed. Cargo must be secured or lashed properly. Officer must monitor loading plans and stability calculations. In conclusion, movements of cargo can affect the longitudinal stability of the ship by changing the trim and balance. That is why proper cargo holding and securing is very important for the safety and efficiency of the ship. Thank you.